Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair and Buzz Air are delighted to welcome you to Tenerife, where the local time is 50 minutes past 4. We kindly ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign for you and the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Exercise extreme caution while opening the overhead lockers, as items from your carry-on luggage may have been dislodged, fall down and cause injuries. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you have reached the designated smoking area outside the terminal building. For more information about car hire, hotel accommodation or new routes, you can visit our website ryanair.com. Laptops and larger portable electronic devices shall remain properly stowed and switched off. You may now use your mobile phones. And finally, on behalf of the captain, the first officer, and mostly the crew on board today, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we wish you a safe onward journey. Thank you and have a fantastic day in Tenerife and local area.
Another man. That's an airline I want to try. Volatia. Yeah. It has a €9 fares every now and then, so I'm just thinking to do a weekend trip.
So what the 717s?
Very rarely they do now. Yeah. I've been trying to keep an eye on where the 717s are.
Right.
But again, I want to try and do it like on a Saturday or a Sunday and just do a little jaunt around Europe. But for the life of me, I've got to have many cats on it.
So it's in Condor plates. Because of the Tom's Cook. Yeah. Nice one.
Right. I'm at that.
It's good. Taxi shop.
Oh yeah.
That's.
Bang
Oh
on.
yeah, you're doing it to doors open, aren't you?
Yep.
So it's in Condor plates. Because of the Tom's Cook. Yeah. Nice one.
Right. I'm at that.
It's good. Taxi shop.
Oh yeah.
That's.
Bang on.
Oh yeah, you're doing it to doors open, aren't you?
Yep.
Outside the docking doors. Square.
There we go.
There we go.